Friends, once a young boy was caught in fire in his school, and the doctors assumed that he would die, and even if he lives, his half portion of his body will be crippled. But the boy did not want to die and even did not want to be crippled. He took a resolution in his mind that he wanted to live and with power. He was in the hospital for 3 months. The doctors tried a lot, but from the waist there was no motor ability. His legs were dangled below the waist. After 6 months, he was discharged from the hospital. At home, he was either on the wheelchair or on the bed. But with firm and iron determination, the boy, when his parents did not notice him, went out of the wheelchair and started creeping towards the gate. It continued. After some time, he started walking. He was walking up to the school, and then when he reached the college, he became a member of the track team, and in USA's the famous Madison Square in New York in 1931, he became the fastest mile runner. His name is Glenn Cunningham. Dear friends, from this real story, we have to learn 3 things. One thing is that power of positive thinking. The boy had enough and more power of positive thinking in his mind. And the second one was faith in oneself. We also should have both of this, power of positive thinking as well as faith in oneself. As he became an epitome of determination, we should have an iron determination to resolve something. We should have a resolute determination to achieve something. So, dear friends, from this real story of Glenn Cunningham, we will have a faith in ourselves, a firm determination, and we should spread a positive thinking. Thank you very much, and best wishes for the day.